Outstanding design defines the 2013 Nissan Pathfinder. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 250 horsepower, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include remote keyless entry, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, front dual-zone air conditioning, and a split-folding rear seat. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.